Hi, I'm Ashwin Vasavada, and I'm the Deputy Project Scientist on the Mars Science Laboratory mission with its rover, Curiosity. Mars has a thin atmosphere, but it does have things in it. It has water ice clouds, ice crystals that condense in the atmosphere and form clouds, just like water vapor does on Earth. And it also has a lot of dust. Every day on Mars is a little bit hazy, a little bit dusty, because Mars is a big desert, and the wind's always blowing somewhere, kicking up dust. We landed within 1.5 miles of the place we chose on Mars, even though we were more than 100 million miles away when Curiosity started her journey. Curiosity is in a place called Gale Crater on Mars. Gale Crater is a big hole in the ground caused several billion years ago when a big impact hit Mars and scoured out all this dirt. Since then, we think wind and water have created all these layered rocks inside of Gale Crater. Also, those layers have been eroded back, leaving just a mountain in the middle. Actually, it's not just a mountain, it's a huge mountain. It's 3 miles high, and that's been the target for our mission. And we're going to drive over to that mountain and look at all the layers of rock that have built up over Mars history. One of the things we'll be looking for is whether any of those layers were created by water and may have been a place that life could have found friendly back when they were created. We know Gale's pretty dry now, but we'll be looking for evidence of water in the past. I'll show you a couple ways we'll be looking. One is on this rock over here from Earth, you can see these ripples. These ripples were formed because this rock used to be at the bottom of a flowing stream. If we found anything like this at Gale Crater, we'd be super excited. This other rock over here has lots of layers on it, and these layers are basically a record of time. The layers on the bottom form first, and then as you get higher and higher on this rock, you get earlier and earlier, more recent times on Mars. So, as you can tell, what we hope to do is decipher the history of Mars and figuring out if Gale Crater ever was a habitable place. If you'd like to learn even more about Curiosity, please go to nasa.gov/Mars.